This is the Central Michigan Swing Bridge, and it's carries highway traffic. It's built in 1905, and it's a Pratt through Truss bridge over the Saginaw River. Now, this bridge is located in Bay City, Michigan. See, look at this bridge right there. See the distance of this bridge? And it's open to traffic, and I believe it's only used by rail traffic now because it's swung open. That for boats and ships, and it doesn't swing to a close until trains come. So, and this, and then it swings or pivots back to its closed position. Then you got two approach truss spans on each side of the bridge. So, yeah, so it crosses the Saginaw River, located in Bay City, Michigan.